video is about how to do a fully encrypted VM or server from Hetzner, and I'm doing it mainly for myself so I don't forget how to do this again. So I will be pretty much following the article here, the how to install Ubuntu with fully encrypted disk from Hetzner. If you just Google encrypted Hetzner, you will probably find it amongst the first articles. So first of all, we have a server created, so if not, go to server, create a server. You can choose Ubuntu, some shared architecture, or whatever. Pick the server you want. Add a SSH key. You don't need volumes. If you choose firewall, make sure you open port 22 and port 22222, so 4 twos as alternative SSH. We will get there why. Name it, create by once we have it. Go to the server and go to the rescue mode and do the enable rescue and power cycle, which then choose like SSH key. So I already chose the SSH key I want to use. And what this will do, like the VM will be basically booted into like a rescue mode. You can read what that is, but this will allow us to like SSH to the machine. Please note this may take some time till the rescue mode is active, so ping the server, and when it's back, when the ping is back, the SSH may not work for a little bit, so wait. There we are, now I'm able to SSH, but I'm getting the warning that the key is already being used, so I will just run this command, which will remove basically the entry from the known host. So now I'm able to SSH again. Yes, go there. Now I'm inside. Now I can follow the article. First of all, I need to create like a file where I will store my public SSH key, so I can then log into the newly created box. So I will create the file. Yeah, the SSH key will be there. I enter the public SSH key to this file. Now I need to create another file, which will be this tmps setup conf, because basically what we are going to launch is like an automated install script, and it will basically do this argument. So install image is the anyway. So for now, I will do like the secret to unencrypt the entire disk. After boot will be secret 1 or 2 3. Change it to something more secure, of course. Blah blah blah. Host name will be, this is just the name of the machine once you SSH. So I changed that just to demo 1. All these options are okay. This is like the image we are installing, so Ubuntu, and this is the authorized case. That's pretty much the public key that we added to the temporary folder. Close this. Third file that we need is like this post install script. So again, we will create a new file on the server. Boom, boom, boom. We will just copy paste this. What this is basically doing is like configuring. So we are a bunch of other things. Amongst one of those is we will be able to connect to Dropbearer connection, where we pretty much will unencrypt the disk. So the script itself is doing that on port 22222, and that's why opening the port 2222 was important. If you want to have this as a connection 22, it's fine, but 2222 is fine. I will much better. I will show you why. But if you decide no, I want everything on the same port, it's fine. But last very important thing I always keep on missing is running this, basically having the permissions. You execute it as a script. If you don't do that, I promise you will have some pretty bad debugging time. Now I'll run the install image command, and you see it will start doing stuff. Oh, sorry, no. Don't run the install image. That will show you to interactive mode. You need to run this command, which will basically use our setup and use our post-installation script. This is the one. Sorry, my bad. So run that. So it starts doing stuff. Now it's encrypting our drive, removing pretty much everything available on server, fully deleting the data, creating the encrypted partition, so the partition, etc. So now the installation is finished. Bunch of stuff was done. I will do reboot. Once it's live, if I try to SSH to the, it will not work, so I have to use the port 222. There we go. Once there, I will run the encrypted log, add the password, and after that the connection will be closed. Now I will try to SSH one more time, and I will my encryption.